Hey guys, it's Tammy and welcome. So today's daily home decor aesthetic vlog video, I'll be showing you my glam kitchen. So make sure you stay tuned. Please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your notifications. Alright, my royal family, let's jump into this glam kitchen winter 2022 tour. And if this is your first time tuning in, welcome. Make sure you become a part of the Glam Queen of Decor. Also, my other channel is Glam Queen of DIY and Glam Queen Vlogs. The links for those are down in the description. Also, make sure you're coming back daily, you guys, for our Glamvember, where we're bringing you glamorous decor for the whole month of November. And we're going to be doing this on both the DIY and the Decor channel. And you guys, as you probably can see, I'm having to drop videos because I am back home again. And I'm doing well, you guys. Thank you so much for the phone calls and your prayers as well. But make sure you are catching those videos. Check my description for that Glamvember 2022 playlist link as well. Make sure you're checking all of our channels to catch what we're going to be showing you and displaying for this winter and Christmas 2022 season. Well, that's it. I truly hope you guys enjoyed this home decor daily vlog video of my glamorous winter 2022 kitchen tour. I'll link a few more videos for you guys to enjoy watching as well. And two, never forget to always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. Bye everyone, stay blessed and stay positive. Please subscribe to Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen of DIY, and Glam Queen Vlogs.